Okay, so just looking at the kitchen sink here, dealing with a traditional two compartment sink, nice basic faucet with a pull-out wand. A few things that can frustrate a homeowner like yourself about a faucet is leakage around the base, or simply the faucet, like this one, moving from side to side when you're trying to turn it. That becomes frustrating as a homeowner. There are simple solutions to this, and if you're a handy person, you can perform them yourself. One of them being, replacing the cartridge if it's leaking, getting under there and tightening the faucet from the base if it's turning. If you're not comfortable doing those things, you can call R&B. We'll show up at your door and we can replace a cartridge or tighten a faucet within an hour, typically, and you'll be happy with the results. I know, again, like our mechanical room, we like to shove as much stuff under the sink as possible, and that's okay. It is important to clear it out periodically because that's going to give you the ability to look at what's under there, look for water damage, and if need be, call a technician like ourselves at R&B to your place to solve the problem. Few signs you want to look for is the base of the cabinet. Now, most cabinets aren't made out of solid wood. They're made out of a fiber product, melamine or so on. And what happens with that product is if it gets wet, it swells up. So if you notice any irregularities in the base of your cabinet, bumps or whatever else, that's an indication that you either have a leak or you've had a leak in the past if you're looking at buying a new place, and that the problem, whatever it is, needs to be solved. Okay, going to talk a bit about the drainage piping here. In this particular configuration, we've got a garburator and we've just got a standard drain, so we've got a two compartment sink. Everything in here is done to code. We've got, like I said, our garburator, older sort of noisy garburator. One thing to look for with them is as they age, the blades become duller, they chew up less debris that goes down them, so you end up with more blockages in your drainage. So you might want to consider, if you have an older garburator, calling us. We can upgrade it, or we can delete it and just have standard piping to the regular drainage.